you are new. My name is ArleesiaRheenay, and here you'll find all things beauty, lifestyle, and plus size fashion. If that is content that you like to watch, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a part of the fam. And also make sure you are following me on all of my social media platforms so that you can see my day-to-day uploads and what I'm up to. So as you see by the title, today we are reviewing the Haus Labs Foundation by Lady Gaga. And I mean, I have it on, and let me tell you something. Just go ahead and get into the let's just get into the video, because I don't want to make you wait any longer. Let's just go. So here is the box, and I picked up the shade 460. This is medium deep warm. I picked this up from Sephora. She is $45. So she does cost a pretty penny, but everyone talks about how well she performs, so hopefully she lives up to the $45, okay? First things first, I love the packaging. I just love how it's presented. It's very minimalistic. It's cute. It's giving. It's cute enough for it to sit out on someone's counter, and I love that. So as I'm doing this video, I'm gonna go ahead and state some of the facts that I have read on the website regarding this foundation here, and I'm just really happy to go ahead and get into it. So first things first, it says shake well before use, so that's important. So while I'm shaking, I thought I would just go ahead and read the directions on the box, because I feel like we have problems sometimes. We just go ahead and just go straight into using the product without reading the directions, and reading the direction is key. So it says how to use. Shake well, blend onto clean, moisturized skin using the Haus Labs foundation brush or fingertips. So first things first, after reading those instructions, I am definitely not going to be using my fingertips, because I hate applying makeup with my fingertips. I don't know, I can't get with it. The cleanliness of, I don't know, I just can't do it. Secondly, I seen a video of Lady Gaga applying it with a beauty blender. So your packaging says a brush or a fingertip, but you used a beauty blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my own beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush that I have on hand already. So that's what we're gonna do. Just go ahead and apply it to the back of our hand. Ooh, look at that rich color. I love it. It's so rich. So this side, the right side here, I'm gonna do my beauty blender, and the left side, I'm gonna do the brush. So getting into some of the facts, it says that it is vegan. Wait a minute. Let me bring my mirror a little bit closer, because I think I'm being fooled here, okay? Oh my God. Wait a minute. Do y'all see that? And I did not cover up my dark spot, because it says that it is medium coverage and buildable. So I wanted to see just how much coverage I can actually get from it. Wow, okay. So yes, it says that it is medium coverage and buildable. It says that it is weightless, and I have to agree. So it claims to be vegan and clean, which is really nice for those who are vegan and want to use things that are not tested on animals. And you guys, I honestly have to say, this foundation is given. Yeah, I like it. And this is with the beauty blender. So as you see in the beginning, I just went ahead and I just kind of like smeared it on with the beauty blender, but now I'm going to go ahead and pat it in. So this foundation is also infused with some products that is like skincare based. So it helps with redness, it helps even the skin tones, and it protects against environmental stress, so that's a good thing. And you guys, I mean, honestly, I did not really have to sit here and blend this much, but it is so pretty. Like, Look at that. I like that. I like that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and try the brush on the left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more pump. I'm just gonna dip my brush in, pick some of the product up, and here we go. So I purchased this from Sephora, and I think I said earlier that this is $45. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more pump because I don't know. I just feel like I want to do. I just feel like I want to do one more pump. On the website, it also claims to be sustainable for all skin types, all. So whether you're dry, whether you're oily, you know, whether it's combination, it said it is suitable for all, which we love. Guys, I'm blown away. You guys, I am blown away. Look at that foundation. Like, and it says that it is buildable, so that's great, but just with this on here, this is given very much clean girl, you know, add some blush, add a little bit of bronzer, and I'm on my way, do my eyebrows. Like, I am digging this. Like, I like this a lot. This is, yeah. Okay, so now you see it is all on my face and I am super happy with it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into the review. First things first, like I stated before, it comes in 51 shades and I love that for us. That just truly, you know, goes to show that she does care about, you know, everybody feeling included and everybody being able to find, if not their perfect shade, something that is close to it that they can maybe, you know, doctor up a little bit. And I love that because sometimes we have brands that come out with like 20 shades and it ain't working. Secondly, I love that they have a wide range or a bigger range than what I've seen in other, you know, companies for us of color. Like, I absolutely love that for us. That is just so amazing because we do not always get the option to pick our perfect shade. Sometimes we have to go a couple of shades lighter and kind of mix it with something else. Sometimes we have to go, you know, a shade darker. So I love that for us. So I love that this is a clean product. I love that it is vegan. That is really great. I love how, honestly, she did not lie when she said it was weightless. I feel like I have absolutely nothing on my face. Like, I feel like it's skin. Like, it is legit giving skin. It is giving glowy, you know, I take care of my skin. My skin routine is on point. I don't play around. Like, it is giving, and I really don't have anything bad to say. Now, in regards to, as I said, I don't have anything bad to say. Now, in regards to the brush, you know, I get it. It's a selling feature, but the brush I think was between $30 and $40, and again the foundation was $45, so you're spending anywhere between, you know, $80 to $95, and that was just something I was not gonna do. I was not doing that. So I just used my own beauty blender, and as you see on one side the beauty blender and the brush on the other, they definitely look identical. Like, I don't feel like one went in, you know, into my skin better than the other. I feel like it is very, you know, neutral and the same across the board, whether I was using the brush or the beauty blender. So I'm perfectly fine with using whatever, and I think you would be perfectly fine using what you have at home as well. You know, guys, just straight off the bat, this foundation, and I can't believe I'm gonna say this, this foundation receives a 9 out of 10 for me. And the only reason why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is because I don't know how it wears, if that makes sense. Like, I am literally putting this on, doing the video and taking it off. I'm not going anywhere, so, you know, I can't say that it wears well. I can't say that, you know, it is not gonna make me super oily. I can't say all of that, and I will definitely go ahead and do another makeup video using this and then wear it all day and give you a full day, you know, review. But this here is just my initial review on the product itself and how it is to apply it and how it feels. And in that case, this product gets a 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. I know. I don't think I've ever given something a 10 out of 10. Or maybe I have. I don't know. But this foundation definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. You think you're going to purchase this foundation? You think it's worth the $45? Is it giving skin? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.